See, they've destroyed all the laying boxes, the T and J, all gone. Guys, I tried, okay? It's not my fault. I really did try. I don't know. So ghetto. They are ghetto, ghetto, ghetto. Look at them. Ghetto. Leave me alone. Fio. Let's check at the other one too. They've destroyed their nesting box. See? Still ghetto. Still ghetto. A few of them lay on the ground. But they are ghetto as hell. Ghetto chicks, but they're still laying in it. All these, they want to lay, so they've gotten rid of the cover. But they're still laying in the dark spots, so. I haven't been in here. Ow! Oh my god! Oh my god! One of the chicks pecked me and I screamed, and that's what happened. They are chicken for sure. I wasn't expecting to be pecked. So when I say, ow! It scared them. So now they're all running away, except these ones. They want to come and peck me. This is unbelievable. It's crazy out here. Let me pick these. See? See what they've done. This is the pillar. This mason did a terrible, terrible job. Look at it. That's the pillar he did. And look. Oh, the concrete is off, but I'm just seeing stones. And they like to lay in this corner, basically on the ground. Let me get out. They're crazy today. It's dinner time. They are going crazy. We're still getting more feed from the back. But look at them. They are absolutely, they're going nuts. This is crazy. Because they chase him around, he just puts a little bit so he can go to the other ones. This is crazy, guys. It's crazy nuts. It's unbelievable. Holy cow. Chop time, no friend. I think I need to add more feeders because this is crazy. I'm going to add more feeders. Feeders ni bi wo ha. Feeders ni bi wo ho. Ori adi bi sinsem. Ai. Mu ya hu ma mama na mu. Because mess me walk for when you are ready to be a distance more. I am being for Hana Mufa Bizumbra as a big cab, and when you want to first. So that's what they did to this. They destroy everything, guys. Every single thing. So whatever. They're still laying in here. So what can I do? They're village people. They don't like nice things. They pecked on it, destroyed everything. But hey. So I'm going to put more feeders. Because this is crazy. Seconds and it's gone. Seconds and it's gone. So nobody's playing games. These are the ones on the walls. And we need to fix that. This is nuts. Our pipe is not working right now, so right now we're putting the water in manually. We need to get someone to. It's leaking. The plumber didn't do a good job, so it leaks from here. So when we turn it on, there'll be puddles of water. So right now we're doing it manually. So guys, these eggplants are giving me a lot of fruit. I have a lot. I can't keep up. So I'm going to start freezing them. Oh, I don't know. I'm going to dry it. I just bought a dehydrator machine. I'll see what I can do because I want to preserve these. There's a lot. These are okra, kontomire. This was a good rainy season. We got a lot of stuff. Like I have more than double at home, and I'm leaving with some more. Now cabbage, you know, kwasi that. The mundo hono onye ya obenye yi. O shen renu mu. But don't know where to toss it, I mean. Hey. Yay! Rainy season, we get to grow lots of fun stuff. All from the farm. And we have lots of turkey berries. I've frozen some. So I'm happy. I like to eat what I grow. And I get excited to see things that comes out of your farm. Lila. Man could have anything. This is baby Lila. The original Lila is dead. Someone killed it right after she had. I think this puppy was like maybe 3 weeks, less than a month, and then she disappeared. So we named her Lila. Lila, I miss your mom. Lila, I miss your mommy. Lila, Lila Jr. Lila, you look just like your mommy though. And then turkey berries. Turkey berry ni bin you ha. Turkey berry ni bin you ho. But do not profit your turkey berries. Francisca. Someone cha mun kubi mamu faba no wase wa brand. Emi bes ma ho efu ni mentu mun ko. Francisca. So I'm going to use my dehydrator dehydrator to dehydrate these two. We'll go into our little garden center.
Yeah.
See if we have any more lettuce.
Okay.
Oh, the lettuce is done.
This one's done.
But this is
Mom, it's
cabbage.
done. These ones.
The corn. These are cabbages, I think. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Is it lettuce? Oh, is this I'm so confused. This is not iceberg cabbage. Is there a different type of cabbage?
Yeah, don't like this. Everybody.
I'll check on Google. It looks to me like it's cabbage. So I don't know if the root will be like iceberg or this is the cabbage. That's what I need to know. Because it looks like the leaves are going yellow, so that means it's grown. But I don't know. Let me check and see. I'm totally lost. Totally lost. I don't know if it's cabbage and if it's ready or that's how it starts and then the ball grows in the middle. I have no idea. I'm so lost. You know, I checked the picture on Google. It says it's green cabbage, but the cabbage that I know comes in like an iceberg cabbage, like round. So I don't know if this is ready or this is how it begins and then the big ball forms in the middle. I'm not good at gardening and I'm just learning. So the lettuce are all gone. So these are the cabbages. But I'm not sure if it's ready to be eaten or it's just gonna grow. So help me out. All this in one day. Ngwembuni hano mono. Kwatitu kakano wana titu ensuk bika. We are now taking all these home with us from the farm. That's what I like about farm life. If you're not lazy and you plant stuff, you don't have to buy much. So this rainy season was a good one. Oh, it's a plantain, eggplant. We have a little bit of tomato in there, spinach, contume, turkey berries are coming. And of course, these are customer eggs. Our harvest for today. And I told my husband I'll eat some snails. And here you go.